Have you just brought a packet of Act 2 Classic Salted Instant Popcorn and are wondering how to prepare it perfectly? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it using the instruction printed on the pack, along with a few useful tips to help you to get the best result. Let's get started. Before cooking, you will need a few basic items. Keep a deep, thick bottom pan or a pressure cooker and a large serving bowl ready. Take a look at the popcorn packet before opening it. This is the Act 2 Classic Salted Instant Popcorn, and the pack already contains the popping corn or cooking oil and seasoning. There's no need to add extra oil, butter, salt or any other ingredient. Open the packet carefully from the top. Make sure empty the entire content into the pan. The instruction on the packet clearly mention that the whole pack should be cooked at once because using only part of the content may result in uneven popping on the stove and switch the flame on a medium heat. Medium heat is important because it's allow the kernel to heat gradually and pop evenly. Very high flame may burn the popcorn before all the kernel pop, while a low flame can leave many kernel unpopped. So I'm cutting this packet of the popcorn and I'll pour it in the cooker. Now I'm pouring all the popcorn in the cooker. After pouring the complete packet into the pan, spread the kernel evenly across the base. This helps every kernel receive similar heat during cooking. Next, you need to cover the pan with an inverted lid. The packet also instructs you to leave a small gap facing away from you. The small opening allows you to steam to escape while preventing pressure from building up inside the pan. It also helps to keep the popcorn crisp instead of becoming soft due to trapped moisture. Now I place the lid of the cooker like this. Now the waiting time begins. For the first few seconds, nothing much will happen as the kernel slowly heat up. Soon you will hear the first popping sound. Pop. You can see the cooker very well. So you can hear the noise. This is how the noise comes. As the popcorn continues to expand, you will notice the pan filling with freshly popped corn. The aroma of the warm salted popcorn starts spreading through the kitchen, which is one of the most enjoyable part of the cooking process. Keep cooking on medium flame throughout the process. Do not remove the lid while popcorn is actively popping as hot kernel may jump out of the pan. After about 3 minutes, the popping sound will gradually slow down. The packet recommends switching off the flame when there is approx 1 to 2 seconds between each pop. This is usually the best time to stop cooking because most of the kernel have already popped and continue for a longer may turn to burn the popcorn. Turn off the gas and carefully lift the lid, keeping it tilted away from your face because some hot steam may still escape. Immediately transfer the popcorn into a large serving bowl. The instruction on the packet specially recommend emptying the utensil as soon as the popping is complete. Leaving the popcorn in the hot pan for too long can cause the popcorn at the bottom to overcook. Now take a look at the first finished popcorn. You should have a bowl of light fluffy popcorn with a simple salted seasoning already mixed. Depending on the cooking condition, it's completely normal to find a few unpopped kernels remaining in the pan. Since this product already contains oil and iodized salt, there's no need to add anything else unless you want to customize it. If you enjoy experimenting, you can sprinkle a little melted butter, cheese seasoning, peri-peri seasoning, oregano, chili flake or black pepper after cooking to create your own flavor variation. To get the best experience, serve the popcorn immediately while it's still warm and crispy. Fresh popcorn always tastes better than the popcorn that's left sitting for a long time. Act 2 Classic Salted Instant Popcorn. Now it's time for the taste test. The first thing you'll notice is the fresh aroma of the popcorn. It has a pleasant, lightly salted smell that's not too strong or overpowering. Taking the first bite, the popcorn is light, crispy with a satisfying crunch. The seasoning is simple, allowing the natural flavor of the popcorn to stand out instead of being covered by heavy spices or artificial flavor. The salt level is little salty, but it adds just enough flavor to make the popcorn enjoyable. If you prefer classic movie style salted popcorn, this flavor should suit your taste. The popcorn doesn't feel excessively oily and the seasoning appears to be evenly distributed across most of the pop kernel. Depending on the batch and cooking method, you may still find a few kernels with less seasoning or a few that remain unpopped, which is fairly common with instant popcorn. Overall, this isn't meant to be a rich butter or cheese popcorn. Instead, it offers a simple, classic salted flavor that ideal for movie nights, evening snack, or sharing with family. Considering its affordable price, easy preparation, and classic taste, Act 2 Classic Salted Instant Popcorn deliver a satisfying snacking experience for those who enjoy traditional salted popcorn. If you are looking for a bold flavor like cheese, peri peri, or butter, you may want to explore ACT 2 other variants. But if your preference is simple, lightly salted popcorn, this classic salted version is a good choice.